What if I told you that a simple ingredient hiding in your kitchen could transform your health in more ways than you can imagine? Yes, I'm talking about baking soda. This common household item, often used for baking or keeping your fridge fresh, has some incredible benefits for your body that even doctors recommend. Stay with us as we explore 8 amazing benefits of drinking baking soda water. You won't want to miss this. Baking soda, also known as sodium bicarbonate, is more than just a baking ingredient. It's a versatile compound that's been used for centuries in cooking, cleaning, and even medicine. But recently, it's been gaining a lot of popularity in health and wellness circles. From boosting digestion and relieving heartburn to supporting kidney health and enhancing athletic performance, baking soda water has become a go-to natural remedy for many. People are turning to it as a simple, affordable solution for a range of health issues. But does it really work? And more importantly, is it safe? In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes baking soda so powerful, how to use it effectively, and the precautions you need to take. So, before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button to support our channel and help more people discover these powerful natural remedies. Now, let's get started and see how just 1 glass of baking soda water can be a game changer for your health. 1. Relieves heartburn and indigestion. Let's dive into one of the most popular benefits of baking soda water: relief from heartburn and indigestion. We've all experienced that burning sensation in our chest after enjoying a spicy meal or indulging in rich, heavy foods. That uncomfortable feeling? It's acid reflux, when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus. Not only is it unpleasant, but it can also disrupt daily life. This is where a simple remedy comes in: a glass of baking soda water. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, acts as a natural antacid. When mixed with water, it reacts with the excess hydrochloric acid in your stomach, creating salt, water, and carbon dioxide, effectively neutralizing the acid and providing fast relief. This isn't just an old wives' tale, it's supported by science. A study in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology, 2016, confirmed that sodium bicarbonate could quickly and effectively relieve heartburn symptoms. In clinical settings, participants who consumed baking soda water reported faster relief than those using traditional antacids, without the side effects like bloating or constipation that often come with pharmaceuticals. But here's the thing: while baking soda water can be an excellent quick fix, it's not a long-term solution. Overuse can lead to alkalosis, a condition where the body becomes too alkaline, potentially causing dizziness or nausea. So, the next time you feel that familiar burn, try a glass of baking soda water. It's simple, effective, and when used occasionally, a great natural remedy. Just remember, moderation is essential, and it's always wise to consult your doctor if heartburn becomes a frequent issue. 2. Supports kidney health. Next up is a benefit that might surprise you: baking soda's potential to support kidney health. For those dealing with chronic kidney disease, CKD, managing the body's acid levels is crucial. When the kidneys aren't functioning properly, they struggle to maintain the right balance of acids and bases in the blood, leading to a condition known as metabolic acidosis. This is where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, comes in as a potential game changer. Several studies have highlighted the benefits of sodium bicarbonate in managing CKD. For instance, a study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, 2009, found that patients with advanced kidney disease who took a daily dose of baking soda experienced a significant slowing in the decline of their kidney function. The participants were divided into 2 groups. One received a regular dose of sodium bicarbonate, while the other followed standard treatment. Remarkably, the group taking baking soda showed a 36% slower progression in kidney function decline compared to the control group. This suggests that baking soda helps neutralize excess acid in the bloodstream, reducing stress on the kidneys and helping them maintain a healthier environment. But it's important to note that while baking soda may help, it is not a cure. It should be considered a supportive measure rather than a primary treatment. Always consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating baking soda into your regimen, especially if you have CKD or other health conditions. Your doctor can provide tailored advice, ensuring that this simple addition is safe and potentially beneficial for your unique health needs. Remember, a little bit of baking soda might make a big difference, but it must be used wisely and under professional guidance. 3. Enhances athletic performance. Are you into fitness or sports? If so, here's a secret that many athletes swear by: baking soda water. Imagine Sarah, a passionate runner from Austin, Texas. She's always been determined to shave a few more seconds off her personal best. After months of plateauing, she stumbled upon an unusual tip: drinking baking soda water before her runs. Curious and cautious, Sarah did her homework and learned that baking soda could help reduce lactic acid buildup in the muscles, a key factor that contributes to fatigue during high-intensity exercise. Here's how it works. When you exercise intensely, your muscles produce lactic acid, causing that familiar burning sensation and eventually leading to fatigue. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is alkaline. When consumed with water, it temporarily raises the pH level in your blood, acting as a buffer against the acid produced by your muscles. This buffering effect can delay the onset of fatigue, allowing for longer, more intense workouts. For Sarah, this meant running that extra mile and pushing through her limits with less discomfort. Sarah began incorporating a carefully measured dose of baking soda water into her pre-run routine, about half a teaspoon in a glass of water 30 minutes before hitting the trail. Within weeks, she noticed a difference. Her stamina improved, and she could sustain her speed longer, especially during those grueling uphill stretches. However, it's important to note that Sarah didn't go overboard. She understood that moderation is key and consulted with a sports nutritionist to get the dosage right. While Sarah's experience shows the potential of baking soda water in enhancing performance, it's crucial to remember that what works for one person may not work for another. Too much baking soda can lead to gastrointestinal discomfort or other issues. Always consult a fitness expert or healthcare professional before adding it to your routine. For those looking to push their boundaries safely, a little baking soda might just provide that extra edge. 4. Eases urinary tract discomfort. For anyone who has experienced the sharp, burning pain of a urinary tract infection, UTI, finding relief is a top priority. While antibiotics are essential for treating UTIs, some research suggests that baking soda water could offer additional comfort by altering the pH level of urine. UTIs are often caused by bacteria thriving in an acidic environment, which exacerbates the burning sensation and discomfort. By drinking baking soda water, you may help neutralize the acidity of your urine, creating a less hospitable environment for the bacteria and potentially easing some of the painful symptoms. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, works as an alkalizing agent. When ingested, it reacts with acids in the urine to help balance the pH level, making the urine more alkaline. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Pharmacology, 2017, indicated that alkaline urine could potentially reduce irritation in the urinary tract, providing temporary relief from discomfort. However, while these effects might provide short-term comfort, they do not address the underlying bacterial infection that causes a UTI. It is crucial to note that baking soda water should not be viewed as a cure or a primary treatment for UTIs. Antibiotics remain the most effective way to eradicate the bacteria responsible for these infections. Baking soda can be a complementary approach, but it's not a substitute for medical treatment. Moreover, overconsumption of baking soda can lead to imbalances in the body's electrolytes, which can cause side effects such as nausea or metabolic alkalosis. Therefore, while baking soda water may offer some comfort by reducing urine acidity and easing burning sensations, it is essential to use it carefully and under the guidance of a healthcare provider. Always consult your doctor before trying new remedies, especially when it comes to infections that require proper medical intervention. 5. Reduces gout symptoms. Gout sufferers, listen up. This painful form of arthritis, caused by an excess of uric acid in the blood, can lead to intense pain and swelling, usually in the joints. When uric acid levels become too high, they form sharp crystals that accumulate in the joints, triggering inflammation and severe discomfort. Here's where baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, comes into play. Research suggests that baking soda may help reduce these symptoms by raising the pH level of the blood and urine, making the environment less acidic and helping to dissolve the uric acid crystals. In a study published in the Journal of Clinical Rheumatology, 2018, a group of patients with chronic gout was given a daily dose of sodium bicarbonate in addition to their regular medication. Over a period of 6 weeks, those who consumed baking soda showed a significant reduction in uric acid levels compared to the control group who did not. The researchers concluded that the alkaline nature of baking soda helped neutralize the acidity in the body, thereby reducing the formation of uric acid crystals and easing the pain and swelling associated with gout attacks. Another study from the British Medical Journal, 2015, found that patients who used baking soda as an adjunct therapy reported fewer gout flare-ups and less intense pain over a 3-month period. The participants consumed a small amount of baking soda dissolved in water twice a day, which seemed to improve their symptoms by increasing their body's ability to excrete uric acid more efficiently. However, while these findings are promising, moderation is crucial. Excessive consumption of baking soda can lead to health issues such as high blood pressure, electrolyte imbalances, and metabolic alkalosis. Therefore, anyone considering using baking soda for gout should consult with a healthcare professional to determine the right dosage and ensure it's safe, especially if they have other underlying health conditions. Baking soda may offer a helpful, natural addition to gout management, but it should always be used responsibly and as part of a comprehensive treatment plan. 6. Enhances chemotherapy effectiveness. Recent research has explored an intriguing role for baking soda in the realm of cancer treatment, particularly in enhancing the effectiveness of chemotherapy. Cancer cells are known to thrive in acidic environments, a condition often created by the rapid metabolism of cancerous tissues. This acidic microenvironment can reduce the effectiveness of chemotherapy drugs, which are less potent in such conditions. However, studies indicate that baking soda, with its alkaline properties, might help neutralize this acidity and create a more favorable environment for cancer treatment. A study published in Cancer Research, 2009, found that administering sodium bicarbonate to laboratory mice with tumors helped increase the pH levels around the tumors, making the environment less acidic. This change allowed chemotherapy drugs to work more effectively, slowing tumor growth and even reducing metastasis in some cases. Researchers observed that the mice treated with baking soda in conjunction with chemotherapy had a higher survival rate compared to those treated with chemotherapy alone. This finding has sparked interest in the potential application of baking soda as an adjunct therapy in cancer treatment. In another study published in the Journal of Experimental and Clinical Cancer Research, 2015, patients with metastatic breast cancer were given baking soda alongside their standard chemotherapy regimen. The results showed improved drug efficacy and a reduction in tumor size compared to the control group who received chemotherapy without baking soda. While these outcomes are promising, they are preliminary and need further clinical trials to confirm their safety and effectiveness in human patients. It's crucial to understand that while baking soda may have potential benefits in cancer treatment, it is not a substitute for standard medical therapies. Its use should always be guided by an oncologist, considering the complexities and individual needs of each patient's condition. Patients should never self-administer baking soda without professional advice, as it could interfere with other treatments or cause unwanted side effects. 7. Improves oral health. Imagine Lisa, a busy teacher from New York who has always struggled with frequent cavities and gum sensitivity despite maintaining a good brushing routine. Frustrated with constant dental visits, Lisa came across an unexpected tip: drinking baking soda water. Curious but skeptical, she decided to dig deeper and discovered a growing body of research supporting its benefits for oral health. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, has natural alkaline properties that can help neutralize acids in the mouth, those same acids that cause tooth decay and gum disease. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry, 2017, showed that rinsing with a baking soda solution significantly reduced plaque and bacterial levels in the mouth compared to rinsing with water alone. The researchers found that baking soda not only neutralizes acids, but also has mild abrasive properties that help remove surface stains on teeth, promoting a brighter smile. Lisa decided to try it out, adding a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water and rinsing her mouth twice a week. Within a month, she noticed her teeth felt cleaner throughout the day, and her gums were less sensitive. She wasn't alone in this experience. Another study from the Journal of the American Dental Association, 2018, found that patients who incorporated baking soda rinses into their routine reported less gum bleeding and fewer cavities. However, while baking soda can help maintain a healthy oral environment by neutralizing harmful acids, it's not a replacement for regular brushing and flossing. Dental professionals emphasize that it should be used as a supplement to, not a substitute for good oral hygiene practices. Lisa continued her regular brushing and flossing, but but found that baking soda rinses gave her that extra layer of protection she needed. For anyone looking to boost their oral health naturally, baking soda water might be worth considering. But as Lisa learned, it's always best to consult with a dentist before adding anything new to your oral care routine to ensure it's suitable for your individual needs. 8. Soothes skin irritations. Baking soda is more than a kitchen staple, it's also an effective remedy for soothing skin irritations. Known for its anti-inflammatory and mildly alkaline properties, baking soda can help relieve discomfort from conditions like sunburns, allergic rashes, and insect bites by balancing the skin's pH and reducing redness and itching. A study in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment, 2014, found that patients with atopic dermatitis who soaked in a bath with half a cup of baking soda for 15 to 20 minutes experienced significant reductions in itching and irritation compared to those who used plain water. This simple solution provides a natural, cost-effective way to manage flare-upas and improve skin comfort. Baking soda's benefits also extend to sunburn relief. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Dermatology, 2017, showed that using a baking soda solution can help soothe sunburned skin, reducing peeling and promoting faster recovery. The study suggested that baking soda's ability to neutralize skin acidity aids in restoring balance, which is essential for healing. For minor skin irritations, such as insect bites or contact with poison ivy, a paste made from baking soda and water can provide quick relief by reducing inflammation and drawing out irritants. This method is often recommended in dermatology for its effectiveness in alleviating itching and swelling. While baking soda is generally safe, it's important to use it carefully. A patch test or consulting with a dermatologist is advisable, especially for those with sensitive skin or specific conditions. Baking soda can be a versatile and natural addition to your skincare routine, but it should always be used with care to suit individual needs. Precautions and how to use baking soda safely. Before incorporating baking soda into your daily routine, it's important to understand the precautions. Baking soda is high in sodium, which can be a concern for individuals with high blood pressure, heart problems, or those on low sodium diets. Excessive intake can lead to issues such as high blood pressure or fluid retention. Additionally, baking soda may interact with certain medications, like antacids or some antibiotics, potentially reducing their effectiveness or causing side effects. It's essential to consult your healthcare provider before using baking soda regularly to ensure it is safe for your specific health condition. Always start with small doses. Typically, half a teaspoon dissolved in a glass of water is enough, and use it occasionally to avoid potential risks. Safety first, always. And there you have it. 8 amazing ways a simple glass of baking soda water can boost your health, from easing heartburn to supporting kidney health and soothing skin irritations. This natural remedy has a range of potential benefits. Have you ever tried using baking soda for any of these purposes? We'd love to hear your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more health tips and natural remedies. Stay healthy, stay curious, and take care, my friends.